Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable auto roulette on your Lima. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do is first you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on wallet, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to auto relate here, just click on it. So then you will click here on off, you just click here on off, then it's going to disable with you. And so like you see, it's disabled with us now here, auto relate here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.